In this tutorial, we will show how to make a subcircuit from a schematic diagram. Simplify schematics and hide clutter by turning portions of a schematic into a subcircuit. Tina automatically represents these subcircuits as a rectangular schematic, but you can create any shape you like with Tina's schematic symbol editor. You can convert any schematic diagram into a subcircuit, called a macro in Tina, simply by adding the terminals and saving the new circuit in the special TSM format. Let's convert the half adder example created earlier into a macro. Delete the old terminals and replace them with subcircuit terminals called macro pins in Tina. Select the generators and the voltage pins and delete them by pressing delete on the keyboard. Select the Special Components tab and place a macro pin in the place of the upper generator. Double-click on the pin and change the name to A. Similarly, add the pins to the other inputs and outputs of the circuit. Next, we create and save the new macro. From the Tools menu, select the new macro wizard. Add a name to the name field, revise the label field, and press OK. The Save Schematic window will appear. Note that the file type will be in TSM, which is the extension of the schematic's macros. Press the Save button. Note that this macro already exists in Tina, and that we will overwrite it now. Finally, to test our newly created macro, we insert it into a schematic. Select Macro from the Insert menu, and select the newly created macro, and press Open. The newly created macro will be attached to the cursor, and you can place it anywhere on the screen. Now you can use this macro in any circuit you like. This concludes our demonstration of creating schematic macros in Tina.